All right guys, so that brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. Huge shout out to Robert with this Hennessey GT350. It was an experience out of this world, being able to experience a boosted GT350. Boosted GT350, that is just freaking nuts. It's so weird hearing a supercharger whine on a GT350. But man, that thing pulls so hard and that thing is so sick. So make sure you guys all smash that subscribe button and help me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can potentially put a supercharger on my GT350 too. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video. Peace.